Atlantex abrasion products are designed to provide long-wearing abrasion protection for hoses, cables, and wires. Tuftex is made in America from a high-tenacity, multi-filament nylon woven into a flexible tubular sleeving. Brightly colored textiles provide high visibility, color coding, and wear-through indication. Customize your protection solution to communicate system information and protect operators. Hook and loop, snap, and zipper closures make Tuftex the ideal removable bundling and retrofit solution. Spiral Guard Wrap is manufactured with high-density polyethylene to bundle lines and protect against degradation, cutting, and crushing. Atlantex abrasion solutions preserve uptime, reduce costs, and create safe work environments. Insist on Atlantex.